Good evening. Today we'll study figures of speech. Now, what ornaments are to the body, figures of speech are to the language. Now, people wear ornaments to look good. Ornaments beautify the bodies. Likewise, figures of speech make the language look better. Like if I speak, say a simple sentence, I'll break your body. This is plain, simple. But if I say I'll break a bone house, here I've used a figure of speech. If I say the ship was moving in the sea, simple, plain. But if I say the ship was moving on the Wales road, here I have employed a figure of speech. Now, today we will study simile and metaphor. Look, they both are different from each other. Still, I've clubbed them because they have some similarity. Both are based on comparison. A difference in a simile we use as, like, or so, whereas in a metaphor we don't. Now, every like does not guarantee that it's a simile. If I say I like pizza, this is not a simile. Why? Because there is no comparison over here. Comparison has to be there. Say you read a sentence, the moment you find a comparison over there, your brain will say this is either a simile or a metaphor. After that, look for as, like, or so. If you have any of these words, it's a simile. If not, it's a metaphor. Now, one more thing. Metaphor is nothing but a contracted simile, and simile is nothing but an extended metaphor. If I say Jennifer Aniston is as beautiful as a rose, here Jennifer is compared to a rose, and I have used as, it's a simile. Let's compress it. Jennifer is a rose. Now this is a metaphor. Something very important, or in a simile or in a metaphor, you got to know the primary subject and the secondary subject. If I say Jennifer is as beautiful as a rose, Jennifer is the primary subject, rose is the secondary subject. With the help of the secondary subject, we understand the primary subject. So, in algebra, you can say x equals to y or y equals to x. Not in simile or metaphor. Jennifer is compared to Rose. Rose is not compared to Jennifer. Be careful. Now, next one. If I say Rana Pratap was like a lion in the battlefield. Rana Pratap is compared to a lion, and I have employed the word like. It's a simile. So I compress it. Rana Pratap was a lion in the battlefield. Here also comparison is there. Rana Pratap is compared to a lion, and there is no use of as, like, or so, so it's a metaphor. That's it. Thank you.